Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amisha Klaso, and in today's video we will continue with a chapter of class 8, chapter 12, factorization. So previously in previous class we learned how to factorize the given terms. Then we also learned how to do factorization by regrouping any given common terms. Okay. So in today's class we will talk about factorization using identities. Now there are major three identities. First one is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one is a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the last one is a plus b bracket a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So these are the three identities that we are going to use in the factorization of today's class. So let's take an example. First one, x square plus 8x minus 16. X square plus 8x plus 16, sorry. So we have to factorize this. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to identify which identity it is following. So since these all numbers are plus, we can say it is following this identity, the first one. So now let's try to factorize this. So we have to first do is we split this. Okay, so we'll have x square plus 8x can be written as, okay, now in this case let's look at it like this. Okay, so our last term is 16. Okay, and here we have b square. So b square, if b square is 16, we can find b by root of 16 is 4. So b is 4 of us. So you can write 4 square here. Now plus, then now next one term we already know. Second term is 2ab, correct? So 2 into a we have to find, into b we already know is 4. Now 4 2s are 8. So what is remaining here? 8 we already have, x is remaining, so therefore our a is x. So this can be written as 2 into x into 4. And last we have the a square, so therefore that is just x. So we have said a is x, so this goes as x square. Okay, so now this can be written as, now we already know what is a and what is b here. So now this, the other way around is a plus b square. So you have to write it in this form. So here a is what? A is x plus b is 4 the whole square. So a plus 4 the whole square equals to x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, so use like this we have to use the identities. Now next one, 4y square. So we have seconds. First the first one, second one say 4y square minus we have 12y plus 9. 12y plus 9. Now here also the identity remains the same, only we are looking at the minus sign part of it. So the identity we have to first we find this. So b square equals to 9 here. Okay, so b will be equal to root of 9, and root of 9 is 3. So we found 3, that is b, so we write this as 3 square. Now plus, now we have to find 12, sorry, this is 2 into a into b. So now 2 into a we have to find, and b is 3, that we already know. Now we have to get 12 here. So now we have this 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, so 6 if you multiply by which number will we get as the answer is 12, that we have to find. So we know 6 2s are 12, correct? Now another thing that remains here is we need this variable y. So we'll simply write 2y here. So this will be 6 into 2y is 12y. So this we can write as 2y. So our a is 2y. So this will be minus 2 into 2y into 3. and last 4y square. So 4 is a, we already know, so this is what first is a square, so that is equals to 4y square, correct? So we can write this as 2y the whole square. So now we found already a and b. So a is 2y minus b is 3 and this the whole square. Okay, now let's look at the next example. Now here we have 49p square minus 36. 49p square minus 36. Now if you look at 49 and 36, these two are perfect square numbers. Perfect square numbers, correct? Now which identity talks about two perfect square numbers? Is this last one. So what are we having right now here is this form. We have to get it into this current form. Okay, so here we know that, so this is in which form? A square minus b square. So a is what here? 49. Okay, so that can be written as 7p the whole square. Okay, and b can be written as 36, so it is 6 square. Now our last formula is what? A minus b into a plus b, correct? So now this can be written as a is what? 7 minus 7p minus b is what? 6 and then 7 again p plus 6. This, if you open up the bracket, we will finally get this answer as 49p square minus 36. Okay, now let's look at the next example. Okay, now next topic is factors of the form. So when we say factors of the form, we are talking in two terms, x plus a and x plus b. So in this we have the variables, we have the same variables, and we have the two constant numbers that are there. Okay, so first example let's take, we have x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now in this you have to find what is x plus a and what is x plus b. Now here one thing we need to know is that this is now b. Okay, so our b is a into b is what? 6, and if you look, a plus b will be equal to this 5 here. Okay, now if you see this will remain constant. We don't have to alter this part of it. Now this part you have to find. You have to find the two numbers if which you add, you get this 5 as the term. Okay, so in that case what two numbers we can add? So in that case we can add, say 2 plus 3, so that will be 5. So what we can say here is that x plus 2 and x plus b is what? 3. So now if I open up this bracket, so I'll get x square, then this plus 3x plus 2x plus 3 2s are 6. So x square plus this will become 5x plus 6. Understood? So let's take maybe another example. So next we have y square minus 7y plus 12. Y square minus 7y plus 12. Now again here you look at this term first. So AB 12 we got, AB equals to 12 by multiplying, okay, two numbers. Now a into a plus b equals to 7 we have to find. So which two numbers if we add, we will get 7 here. Okay, so 7 will be given by 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So here what we can write, now since this is minus, we have to write x minus 4 and x minus, sorry, this is y, variable is y here, so we have to write y. So y minus 4 and y minus 3. This now will open up, so we'll get y square minus in y square, then plus into minus 3y this becomes minus 4y, and this will be minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12. So y square, we get minus 7y plus 12. That is this answer. Okay. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.